Assalamu alaikum students. In the name of Allah, who is merciful and most beneficent. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है. Students, today we will have to learn number 1. Did you know what is this? This is number 1. This is number 1. And this is, did you know what is this? This is giraffe. What is this? Giraffe. How many giraffes are there? One. One giraffe. Read with me. One giraffe. Now tell me, what is this? This is pencil. What is this? This is pencil. One pencil. How many pencils are there? One pencil. And this is also scissor. One scissor. What is this? One scissor. And this one is sharpener. One sharpener. One sharpener. Now write with me, class. Look at this circle and trace it. Okay. This is circle. Write on the circle. Be careful. Join the dots. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Yes. This is number 1. Trace it. Very good. This is double circle. This circle is double. Okay. And what is this? Number 1. Number 1. This is number 1. Okay. Class, now write on the dots. Be careful. 1. What is this? 1. Oh, no. Don't write it. This is the wrong way. Write careful. Write on the dots. Okay. Number 1. 1. Speak loudly. 1. Number 1. What is this? Number 1. 1. Okay. Okay, class. Write on the dots. Number 1. Be careful. Okay. And your home task is number 1. जो आपके नेक्स्ट पेज पे बॉल है उसमें आपने नंबर 1 को फाइंड करना है और उसमें कलर करने हैं. ओके क्लास, डू योर वर्क. स्टार्ट योर वर्क नाउ.